Today, we want to discuss about volume. We want to discuss about what? Under volume, we want to discuss volume of a cuboid. Volume of a cuboid. We have a formula of finding we have the formula of finding the volume itself. For example, here in the chalkboard, we have ranked them width times height. Means that the height here can be this. Width is what? Here we have 6 centimeters. We have 6, of which we call it as a rear. We call it as a what? And then here we have a row, which we can prefer it as 8 centimeters. We have a row which we call as 8 centimeters. And from there, we have this 9 centimeters. 9 centimeters, of which is the length. Now, let us see the formula of finding a volume is length times width times height. Length times width times height. Now, for example, here we have 9, isn't it? We have 9, we have 8, we have 6. We have been taught to find the volume. We have been taught to find the volume. First of all, we take length times width. Length times width, of which our length is 9. Length is what? 9 centimeters. When you multiply 9 centimeters times 8 centimeters, 9 centimeters times 8 centimeters. What are we supposed to have? Yes, 9 times 8. 9 times 8, it is 72. This is 72 centimeter square. But we are finding the volume. We are finding what? The volume. Now, the volume is, what are we supposed to do? We write it is length. We say it is length times width times height. Okay? Now, we have got the length and the width. It is 72 centimeter square. Now, we want to find the volume. So we take this 72. It is 72 centimeter square times the layer, which is 6 centimeters. Which is 6 centimeters. When we multiply 72 times 6, 72 times 6, what are we supposed to do? We come here, we write 72 times 6. Now, 2 times 6. If you know the answer, you raise up the hand. Yes? It is 12. So we write 2, we call 1. 6 times 7, yes? 42. 42, when we add 1 is 43. So here we write 43. Which unit are we going to use? Which unit are we going to use? Yeah? So it is 432 centimeter cube. Okay? As our final answer. We have another example. For example, we can have, it is, let us say, example 2. Example 2. We have maybe 6 centimeter. We have 4 centimeter. We have 2 centimeter. We are being told to find the volume. We are being told to find the volume. What are we supposed to do? First of all, we will say the volume is equals length times width times height. Are you getting? Yes. Now, we come here, we write it is 6 times 4. First of all, isn't it? We get 6 times 4, 6 times 4? 6 times 4? It is 24. So we write it is 24 centimeter square. Now, the final, we are supposed to find the volume, isn't it? So we take this 24 centimeter square times what? 2. 2 centimeter. So the last one we can say it is 24 times what? Times 2 centimeter. Which is the final answer? The final answer is? 48. Yeah? 48. The final answer is supposed to be 48. So our final answer is supposed to be 48 centimeter cube.